Hi, this is Monica Bramlett, and in this video we are going to discuss strategies for multiplying by multiples of 10. In order for the students to best understand this strategy, they need to have understanding of the associative property, as well as be fluent with all multiplication facts within 100. We do have videos on these topics, so feel free to check out our channel to search for those. Okay, so let's start with a quick review of the associative property. So the associative property states that if I have three numbers I can multiply these numbers in any order and end up with the same product. So for example, I can multiply 4 times 3 first and get 12 times 2, and that is 24. I could multiply 3 times 2 first and get 6, and 4 times 6 is 24. This property is helpful because in this strategy, this created an easier problem. We could also rearrange it to do 4 times 2 first times 3, and as you see, we get 24 in every situation. Okay, we're going to take both of these topics and relate them to the strategy for multiplying by multiples of 10. First, we're going to start by looking at the problem 20 times 4. So the first thing that I want to do is I want to pull out the factor of 10 from the multiple of 10. So I'm going to use the idea behind the associative property, and I'm going to break this into 10 times 2 times 4. So you can see that my 20 is right here. I just decomposed it into 10 times 2. Okay, so now what I can do is I can multiply 2 times 4 and I get 8. And I know that 8 times 10 is 80. So we thought about the digit 2 multiplied by 4, but we made it 10 times larger because 20 is 10 times larger than 2. Let's try that with another problem. Okay, so first we decompose 60 into 10 times 6. I can multiply 6 times 7 is 42. And 42 times 10 is going to be 420. So we decreased the value, we pulled the times 10 out of the 60, so we made it 6 times 7, but then we made it 10 times larger to get to the original value. Next, I would like for you to try this problem. Press pause and then press play when you're ready to check. Okay, first I'm going to decompose the 8 into the factors of 10 times 8. So now I have the problem 10 times 8 times 8. I know that 8 times 8 is 64. And 64 times 10 is 640. In this video, we applied the associative property as well as our fluency with all multiplication facts within 100 as a strategy to multiply by multiples of 10.